Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got a food shop for you. I did the food shop yesterday in Sainsburys. It is the next day, but it got a bit late and I looked like a bag of smashed crabs. I didn't feel like coming on YouTube looking more like a bag of smashed crabs than I do usually. So it's the next day. Yeah, I went to Sainsburys just because it's the closest supermarket to us and petrol is expensive. And I didn't need a lot. It was an £80 shop, but I did have to get nappies in that. And Fox at the moment is just leaking through anything other than Pampers, which is super fun. So it was like £11 I think for the nappies, which is just ridiculous. So like 71 or 72 pounds on groceries. Yeah, I'll put the footage in now so you guys can watch that. And then I'll come back afterwards and we can chat about the food plan for the week. Here's the food shop, and obviously there's cats. £83 total. Cat's not included in that. I've got some bread. I thought this looked nice. Just something a bit different. 2 lots of nachos for Nacho Wednesday. 2 lots of smoothies for the kids. These are on offer at £1.65 for 4. Some crackers for me. We've got these ones to try. I thought they both look quite nice. Some parmesan because we ran out. Some feta and some mozzarella. Aria has been looking for bacon sprinkles for like a month and we finally found some. Some oikos, dairy-free coconut, like chocolate chip yogurt. Tony's was on offer, so this is going to get smashed into bits and then put in the fridge. This is my favourite one, which is dark chocolate, almond and sea salt. Some walnuts for a dressing that I'm making. Some bacon potatoes for dinner one night. Gary, oh, lost a potato. Where's it gone? Let me get it. And chicken breast, these will be portioned out and then some frozen, some left in the fridge. Some Kit Kats for the kids' packed lunches, a cabbage for a salad, basil for a salad, garlic, pepper. The only grapes they had were cotton candy ones, which we love, but they didn't have any of the cheap ones, which is annoying. Apples for Aria and then me. Mika and Fox have already got some in the fridge. Some wonky lemons. I don't know what makes these wonky or imperfectly perfect lemons, but they look like normal lemons to me. A sriracha, because we nearly run out. A Bender, surveying things. What's he spotted? What have you spotted? Oh, the Tonys, that's mine. You can piss off. No, it's mine. Put it back immediately. Birthday cake, Oreos. Aria chose these. Pink Panther wafers. There's banana. Hey, baby. The same to actually Bandit. Mini rolls. Spinach for a salad. I really like this lamb's lettuce. Actual bananas, cat banana, 2 lots of cheese slices because I'm going to try and make my own nacho cheese to see if it's cheaper than using the ready-made stuff. Eggs, cucumber, spring onions for a salad, butter for baking, 2 lots of frubes. These worked out cheaper than the own brand ones. So 9 in each of those for packed lunches. Aria's cheese. We've got a pumpkin because we're going to try and make the pumpkin bread. I can't remember if I said that or not already. Lurpak was cheaper than the normal one we get today on offer. So I think I had like £4 off it for some reason. So that was nice. My favourite yogurt. This is super thick and yummy. Stock cubes. Ari chose a hand soap for their bathroom upstairs because they nearly ran out. Apple and elderflower squash. I got these, which I thought looked interesting. They're like Cheetos, but they're, I don't know where they're from, I have to look. Jalapeno and just cheese, nacho cheese, cherries and berry squash, and then a huge thing of nappies for Fox because we've nearly ran out. Okay, so you watched the food shop. We had, what did we have last night? Oh, the kids had chicken nuggets because me and Ari were at the shop. The kids had chicken nuggets. They were going to have it on Wednesday, but we swapped it. So they had chicken nuggets last night. And then I had my jalapeno pasties and my buffalo cauliflower. And I think there will be a reel or a short or something up of the recipe of the buffalo cauliflower, because I've had a few people asking me how to make it. And that was last night. Tonight we're having meatballs because I made them last week and everybody ate them. Other than the fact that me, Ben and Mika had rice, Aria and Fox had pasta. It was the same meal, which never happens, and everyone loved it. So meatballs are making a comeback. And then Wednesday is Nacho Wednesday, so we'll have nachos tomorrow night. Thursday we're having a dal. Mika and Fox will probably, I'll just probably cook a chicken breast for them, because we'll have like the dal with like the lentils, because Ari loves it, and then I'll just do like a chicken breast and rice for Aria, for Mika and Fox. Friday, what did we say for Friday? I can't remember. I'll put it on the screen. I really should just plan this and like write it down in front of me, but that would be far too much effort. Are you two fighting? My brother and sister, and they're having a little play fight. What are you doing? What are you doing? Chippy trying to look innocent. What's she doing, Binksy cat? I can't remember for the life of me what we're having on Friday. Possibly like a pizza or something. Potato cakes and egg one night as well. And then Saturday is just going to be picky bits, cleaning out the fridge and the freezers, because Sunday is everybody's birthday party apart from mine, basically. So we've got like 35-40 people coming around on Sunday for food. So that is the plan. So I'm going to have to go back to the food shop. To the food shop? It's called a supermarket, Lucy. Go back to the supermarket again on Saturday night to get stuff for the party. And we're just doing homemade chicken nuggets. My mum's doing the homemade chicken nuggets, but she has no kitchen at the moment because her basement flooded. So she's going to try and prep them at her friend's house and then bring them over Sunday to cook. I'm doing sticky sausages. Then I'm doing like a vegan alternative. I'm not really sure what. If anyone has, let me know. That would be really, really helpful. So I'm doing, my mum does these homemade chicken nuggets, which are just amazing. She's done them at every party since I was born, basically, and they are so delicious. And then Nigella's sticky sausages recipe, which she also does, but I'm going to make those. And then I want a vegan alternative to that. So I'm going to have like a big salad. I'm going to do a green goddess salad, and then I have like bowls of like crisps and stuff and some nice bread. But I want a vegan alternative that isn't like a second, like an afterthought. I want it to be as nice as the sausages and the chicken nuggets, the homemade ones. But what is a vegan alternative to that? Like, let me know if you're a vegan or a veggie. What would you like to have as an option if finger food for like the meat eaters was sausages and chicken nuggets? Let me know. Yeah, I'm gonna go because it's my first day without any kids. They're all at school or nursery, so I'm gonna try and do some studying. Thanks for watching and I love you, bye.